Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make pasta sauce, a delicious and versatile staple. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. The secret to an amazing sauce truly begins with fresh, ripe tomatoes, which form the heart of our recipe. We'll also use aromatic vegetables such as 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, along with fresh basil, to build a rich flavor profile. Don't forget a good quality olive oil and a touch of salt to bring everything together beautifully. Now let's build the foundational flavors for our sauce. First, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and garlic, sautéing them gently until the onion becomes translucent and the garlic is fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This crucial step releases their sweet and savory notes, creating a deeply aromatic and flavorful base that will elevate your entire sauce. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to introduce the star ingredient. Carefully add about 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes to the pot. Stir in a generous handful of fresh basil leaves, roughly torn, and a half teaspoon of salt. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering partially. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a rich, complex sauce. Finally, let's perfect our homemade pasta sauce. Before serving, taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a little more salt or even a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Stir in about a quarter cup of fresh chopped parsley for a burst of color and a bright, herbaceous finish. Your delicious, homemade pasta sauce is now ready. Serve it generously over your favorite pasta and savor the wonderful flavors you've created from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.